Is it rear-wheel drive?
Yes!
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, you can drift it!
Yeah.
Really? Oh, dude, man. Cupra born.
Cupra is usually standing for lots of spiciness and handling. In this case it was actually. It's the first time I'm driving this kind of car. By this kind I mean from this family, because ID3 is also like related to this, and you have Cupra born. Thank you very much for making this happen. It was amazing, and we've done a lap, and it was lots of fun, because key giveaway, although it's like a city hot hatch or something, it is rear-wheel drive. Teaser, you cannot switch off TC completely, only sport mode. There are versions with more power and ability to switch them off, but this was already quite some naughty fun, yeah. On the rear we have drum brakes because, well, it's because of the regen. I can tell you exact reason behind it. Because of the regen, the rear brakes would not be used and they would rust away. That's why these kind of cars have actually drum brakes on the rear. Fully stock, completely stock, which means power-wise and stuff. 210, and the weight is like 1400 probably or so.
No, it's 170.
1.7.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, actually, just like most EVs, it didn't feel that bad because it's well, it's all low. It was fantastic. I really loved it. I mean, right now, if you're watching this because you're a Cupra-born owner, I would love to try the more powerful version when you can switch off TC, because it's so much fun. It's naughty. Anyway, you guys enjoyed the lap. Maybe like a quick overview on the interior. It all looks nice and dandy and fine. Of course, Cupra accents, copper here and there. Good seats, good everything. Really loved it. Really loved it. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you very much for making this happen.
Glad you enjoyed it.
And see you maybe next time with some more mods. Bye. So what's the power? It's like 200?
Okay, it's okay. This car has like 230.
Yeah.
And its max speed is 160.
Okay.
But if you put it in sport and you are lucky, then it goes 170 on the. So it's like 160 GPS.
All right.
It's not so fast.
Yeah.
And there's a bigger variant.
Yeah.
Bigger, like it has like 10 or 15 more horsepower.
Yeah.
And it drives another 10 or 15 faster. And now it's the, you know what's the funniest part is?
Tell me.
I met a guy, or I found a guy. He's tuning like Taycans and so the Porsches and the Teslas, and he's working on this one.
Yeah.
So this year maybe he may make software for more acceleration, more top speed, and maybe a drift mode. I don't know.
Who knows? Would be nice.
So if he will make it happen, I definitely would bring you the car again.
That would be cool. Speed limit.
Hey man, it's so annoying. And the tires?
They dance around.
Nice one.
Is it rear-wheel drive?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, you can drift it.
Yeah.
Really. It makes so much fun. Like this winter, I drifted it so much. It's and like I told you, one time I
switched out the fuse.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then it's kinda. So you don't have full throttle.
Yeah.
But you have full traction control off.
Yeah.
And it's hard to explain. You don't have a stick differential, right? You don't have a but it definitely drifts on snow, on dirt, on gravel.
I want more speed.
Yes.
Nah.
Tell me, man. I'm driving it daily. But let's say first.
Well, I'm keeping it flat restraining.
Yeah, go. Oh man, my girl, she would kill you, really. Like,
come on, turn in.
And she thinks I'm driving crazy. What are you doing?
I'm just like trying to, I don't know, have fun or something.
Hey man,
and speed limit. Yeah, man. But it's cool because like when the car actually starts understeering, you give it gas and it rotates.
Completely. I try to explain people. You can nearly do anything as a normal guy, you know?
Yes.
As a normal person who's not racing, just give it full every time. Don't worry at all. Nothing will happen, kinda.
I'm actually steering with throttle. That's so freaking cool.
Oh, dude, man. Next time I drive alone.
Come on.
Let's go.
Yeah. Nah.
Hey man, you.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let's go. Make space, brother. We have electric here.
That was cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's so cool just to have you sitting in this car and just feeling what it's capable of, you know?
If you could switch off TC, that would be like really crazy.
Oh, dude, we could try, but it's just not the same. It's definitely so. But if you find the right person after this video, I bet someone will write you. There is a version you can switch off ESP completely. It has more power and it has more VMAX.
Okay.
So try your luck. Maybe someone will be out there for you.
Yeah. Come on.
Nice.
Almost. I think battery got hot or something.
Maybe.
It doesn't feel like a full power anymore.
Yeah. How much did you use on the
charge?
Yeah.
I don't see. I don't know much. Oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna cool down here.
Yeah, no problem.
Is the temperature? No, it's the.
I don't see the temperature. It's
okay.
like you just lost like 5%.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, keep it down.
I'm gonna just cool down here because we're climbing and it's kind of boring anyway.
Yeah.
So then once we go downhill, so the car is like more cooled down.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Sounds good. But what do you say?
I love it. Like the handling is really nice.
Yeah.
You can really, like I said, if you could switch off actual TC, that would be like completely different story.
That's the only wish I have.
Exactly. That would be really good. And of course a bit more top speed.
Yeah, definitely. That's also one thing I wish for. But I get it, right? More top speed means
More power use and this and that.
Yeah.
And yeah, so.
But I guess, like for me, I drive it daily and I drive it fast daily also. Like if I have the opportunity for it, like a nice suspension would be great, and new tires as well, and the brake. I don't know what you say about the brake, but the brake is like awful for me.
I don't dislike it, to be honest. Oh, that would be such a good drift car. Oh well. I'm actually flat on the accelerator.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's really hot. That's
And I even didn't like push it, so sad.
Okay, that's really sad.
Man. That's all the power there is. Well, I'll keep it flat and we'll see what happens.
Okay. I mean, how much of a track we have left?
About a quarter.
What if you say like, I don't know, it's hot already.
Yeah, exactly. Because I tried cooling it down now.
Yeah. It will not cool that fast, I guess.
It will have now like 100 horsepower or less. Yay. you cannot use power, then at least you need to use momentum.
Nice.
Oh man.
But that's, you know, I never drove like this, yeah. So that's the first time that the power goes off that fast. Good, but it still makes a lot of fun.
It is. I enjoy it, you know. It's nice to do like easy laps and just vibe, do some silly stuff.
I bet you broke the lap record.
Yeah, even with the lifting through castle shit. Oh, come on. Easy, going crazy. It's like, no, stop abusing me. Are we taking this corner flat? Yeah, fuck
go,
it.
Easy.
And this one also, no lift.
That was an easy cruise, right?
Yeah, that's super cool.
Nice.
It's chilling, nice conversation, some slides.
Nice having you drive.
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy we can make it happen. Very nice. Thank you for staying.
I'm glad.
Yeah, so the verdict.
Yeah.
Freaking cool chassis. Cool that it's actually rear-wheel drive and it works. And yeah, I really want to have DC off, but I understand because it would be maybe too naughty for some people. That's the only thing. Brakes were also okay. Tires were like, yeah, of course not grippy, but they allowed us to have fun. So, you know, it's actually very cool, like daily-ish. What's the, yeah, some hops and bangs, guys, whatever. What's the price of these nowadays?
Oh, dude, I guess you can buy one used for like 25.
Really?
Upwards.
Okay, yeah, because they lose, of course, the value quite quick.
But this is the smaller variant. Don't forget that. So maybe you find someone with the bigger one.
So what's the difference, small and big?
Okay, you have a bigger battery.
Yeah.
You have a faster charging. You have faster acceleration. You have faster, you have more VMAX. You have ESP off in some variants.
Okay.
Complete off.
Okay.
Complete off.
Okay.
And you have adaptive suspension.
Okay.
And yeah.
I would love to try that. Yeah.
And if I make it happen that the guy tune my car, I come back.
Yeah, sure. It'll be nice.
Yeah.
No, I loved it. Very, very cool.
Nice, glad.